everybody. This is my yoga class and my name is Maisie. First we're going to do this pose. So breathe in. Touch your toes and go all the way up. Now here we go. So you push your knees and you do this called the snake pose. Now and we do the frog pose, and this called frog pose. Now we do the flower one. You close your eyes and you do this. Now, this is my favorite, the cat pose. So you do this and you go meow, 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 meow. Now the kangaroo pose. You can jump, but be careful. Now the dog pose. Now the butterfly pose. Now you can do the owl pose. It's tricky. Now you can do the lion pose. Roar! Now the turtle pose. It's tricky as well. Now the bridge. I have to decide with this one. Yeah, it's a bridge. Now we can do the koala pose. This is a waxing one. You can make it like a cloud shape. Now the fish boat. I can still do it sideways. Boop, 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 boop. Now the mountain pose. Whoa, I'm a mountain. It reaches the top. Now this is the last one. Now the last one is the same one as the start, but a little bit different. Now, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end of my Pilates, yoga studio.
Thank you.
Thank you for my class videos.
Thank you.
And watch the rest of my videos.